We're here at the Roy and Diana Vagelos Education Center hosting STEMQuest, which is part of our program, the State Pre-College Enrichment Program. We have a total of 700 students. We have 26 workshops ranging from dentistry, cardiology, to robotics, to neuroscience, to computer science, biomedical engineering.
It's delightful to be here for the first Office of Student Inclusion, Diversity and Belonging at the Vagelos College. We're really here focused on STEMQuest. We're excited to really celebrate invitation to all New York City public school students to come here, spend the afternoon and back to understand what programs the Columbia University as well as the medical school offer to the community. This is an opportunity for us to talk about that we're open to our community partners, that we're really excited. It's been great to have people from the Stem Cell Institute here to really talk about what they're doing and engage students, particularly middle school, high school, and pre-college students. We have our programs, the State College Pre-Health Program, really having an open house to talk to parents, to really get them engaged about the opportunities that we have here at the Medical Center.
My middle daughter is actually a student, S-Prep scholar. She's in high school, but I also had my 11-year-old daughter come today because I understand the importance of having them be exposed to careers and to also see people that look like them in these fields to really begin to galvanize their interest.
This is a great opportunity to really get that hands-on information. And sometimes the workshops that are offered here are not necessarily available in school. So it's awesome to come here and meet scientists, doctors, engineers that are doing this work to allow students to really see firsthand what it is that they do, to listen from these professionals that they might not have encountered otherwise.
We want our community to know that we're a partner with them. We want to create the next wave of health professionals in the STEM field.